Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Okay, this is a short little video today, but I thought you guys might want to know about some opportunities to join some crochet-alongs. So these are the ones I know about. I'm sure there's several others out there. There's always going to be one on Instagram. I think it's called the Holly Jolly. That one is out every year on Instagram. I don't know who puts it up, so I don't know who to tell you to like follow, but that one is out there. These are Amigurumi crochet-along. So if you're not an amigurumi artist, maybe you're not interested, but that's okay. Let's start with Five Little Monsters. And Five Little Monsters does the cutest crochet-alongs. I've done her camping one. You guys saw the cute little black bear that I made, and the flashlight, and I made a couple others from that one. And she's done like Santa and the elves kind of feel, but this year she's doing the Nativity. This illustration alone totally warms my heart. I just think this is a beautiful illustration. So she is going to do a crochet along, and these are the dates, and you guys can join along, and it's very easy. You go to her website down below, and every day she will post the new pattern for that day. And if you make one, please tag her and show her on Instagram. She loves seeing what you guys make. And I'm excited. I don't know if I can join this one, but at the end of all of her crochet-alongs, she puts a little like ebook on Etsy. I'm definitely gonna buy the book. I'm 100% gonna buy the book. So I'm very excited to one day make this one, but I thought you guys might want to know about this opportunity. So another one is Amigurumi Adventures. Amigurumi Advent with Amigurumi Adventures. I do this one every year, but I don't actually make it every year. I've only ever made a few patterns from them, but I read them all. I know it sounds so nerdy, but I read them all because I've learned so much from these ladies. Irene Strange and Ilaria Kalari are two of my absolute favorite designers in the world. Not just amigurumi designers, but designers. These women are clever, and I can't believe that they can work together to make patterns that look like it came from one person. I mean, that floors me. One person. That it looks like it was all made by one person. I don't know how they do this, but their styles work together so well. It was great. I believe last year the theme was like cute little pets for Christmas and stuff. I think that was last year's. One time they did woodland creatures celebrating Christmas. Oh, I love that one. That was my favorite. One year they did one that wasn't my favorite. It wasn't Christmassy or wintry or anything. I just, nah. So it's going to be hit or miss, and it's always a mystery. The mystery this year, all we know is that it is winter themed. So they've shown you the color palette, and they've shown you, you know, like a penguin and a polar bear and stuff like that. Maybe those will be the animals, maybe they won't. So they always give you up front a big item to display them with, or to use as kind of a corral. Like one year they made like a pencil case, and so you could put all your stuff inside it. It was very cute. But this year is an open snow globe, and it's kind of like a little stage. Isn't that cute? So it's like a little stage that you can display whatever we're making on there. They've given us a bonus pattern with these cute little birds. So I love those little birds. My mother saw them. She's already said I need to make the cute little birds. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Maybe those will show up in her stocking. So cute theme. So these are the colors. These are the little hints they give you. I don't know. I think, okay, I'm guessing we're going to see like Arctic fox, polar bear, penguin, you know, animals that belong in like snowy conditions. But we could also see like a sled, ice skates, you know, skis. I don't know. So I'm very curious about this one. They've got me a little stumped on this one. So I'm curious to see what we do. You do have to buy this one. I think it's still on early bird special, but don't quote me. I don't know. I linked their Etsy shop down below, so you can purchase the pattern if you want to. It's a good value. There was only 1 year out of several that I've been disappointed with. And honestly, even the one I was disappointed with, I could still use those elements for other things, just not Christmas. So, I mean, it's still fun. It's still a fun investment. They're still great designers and the patterns are super cute and fun. But, you know, it's up to you. So, Complicated Knots is doing her 12 Days of Crochet again. I love when she does this. I made one year. If you guys saw my tour of the trees last year, we now have an Australian tree because I made so many ornaments that we needed a tree, a separate tree. And it's Kylie's fault. Thank you, Kylie. You just have to make adorable things, don't you? That I had to make. Anyway, I now have an Australian tree because I have Australian animals that I made from 12 Days of Crochet with Kylie 2 years ago. Last year I didn't do it, but I watched it and I thought it was super fun. Anyway, this year is Bugmas, but she promises no spiders. There are no spiders in this crochet-along. So these should all be bugs that you guys want to make. In fact, I think I know. She's already giving a hint to the first one. I think I know what it is. But anyway, she's giving you the colors. And she's giving you, you know, the other supplies that you need. And yeah, so what you do is you just watch her videos. Oh, she's got the times for the different places around the world. Here you go. You can screenshot this if you want to. So you watch the video and you crochet with her. She's a great teacher. She's one of my favorite teachers. And she's very nice. If you have questions, she's very, very nice. Just type them in the comments. She'll see them. She'll help you. And every day at the end of the video, you want to watch till the end because she'll give you the hint for the next day. So, and it's fun to guess. It's really fun to guess in the comments on what you think the next one is. So I have done her crochet-alongs. I highly recommend them. They are super fun. Do I think I'll participate in this one? I'm not really into bugs, but we'll see. I might make one. We'll see. That's it. Those are all the crochet-alongs I know about. If you know about any, please put them down in the comments below. I would love to hear about them. I am not doing one this year. I thought about it. I did. I thought about it. I thought about doing a crochet-along, and then I realized I can't do that to myself. That's too much. That's too much for me right now. My body is not gonna have it, so. I actually did a crochet-along last year, and I linked the playlist down below, and you can make something from that one if you want. So I did one last year. Also, I have my Christmas tots. Those are cute to make for stocking stuffers, and my regular tots, which is an entire playlist of my cute little tater tot-like creatures based on different characters from movie, film, and ones I just made up in my head. So if you've never made amigurumi before, these are great beginner-friendly patterns, and you might like them. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a lovely time over here. Remember to join the Facebook group down below, get information before anybody else does, get to vote for the channel, and we have a fun little group chat, and they get to see little sneak peeks of things that are coming up. So thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate you. I love my subscribers. If you want to leave me a comment, I would really appreciate that. I love talking to you guys. And remember, life happens. Yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.